Achieving 4,000 watch hours on YouTube can be somehow dramatic and difficult. Don't let anybody deceive you. I've seen a lot of people saying you can go live. Some people will say you can play game, you can do this, you can do that. Some people will even tell you can use blue screen, green screen. See, achieving 4,000 watch hours is something every YouTuber should also dare, especially when you are not monetized. In short, even after you are monetized, watch hours is the reason why you'll be having more views on your videos. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 reasons why your watch hours will be decreasing, as in 5 reasons why you are losing watch hours. And I'm going to be telling you another 5 reasons or another 5 ways you can fix it. Now, in case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe and then do what? Get to turn on the notifications so that whenever I make videos, you get to benefit, because I actually make videos on what? On editing, on YouTube coaching, on Facebook coaching, on TikTok coaching, and I actually share amazing tips that can help you grow as a YouTuber. Now, let's begin to talk about the reason why you can be losing watch hours. Yes, let's talk about the reason why you can be losing watch hours. Number 1 is when you create a channel or as a YouTuber, YouTube actually give you a grace of 1 year to complete your watch hours, meaning you have just 365 days to complete your watch hours. So meaning as a YouTuber who posts, maybe you post just once in a week or once in a month. So how are you going to complete your watch hours in 1 year? Now, if you cannot complete your watch hours in 1 year, what happened? Those watch hours you have gotten begin to have what? Decrease. Now, you see all those videos. Let's assume you create your channel last year, 2025, January last year, 2025, and you could not complete your hours, your watch hours by January 2026. You see all those videos you have been posting. Any video that is over one year, all those views you got from those videos will begin to what? Will begin to go out, meaning YouTube begin to take out those watch hours. So let's assume you created a video January that last year. This year, January, and you are not yet monetized. YouTube will take away the watch hours of that video and minus it from your watch hours. So let's assume the video you posted January last year got 20,000 views, giving you a watch hour of 1,000. Watch hour of 1,000. So if still yet you could not complete your watch hour, which is 4,000 watch hour in this year 2026 by January, you see that watch hour that video gives you, YouTube will remove it because that video has elapsed 1 year. So meaning when the video elapses 1 year on your page and you could not complete your watch hours, YouTube begin to take those watch hours back. That is the reason why, in order for you to fix that problem, you are to make sure that you post more. Post up to 5 times in a week. Yes, meaning post every 24 hours. Post every 24 hours. Reason why you are posting every 24 hours is because you are trying to any video that is going out. Let's new one. For example, let's assume that one now that Facebook have taken. That one that YouTube have taken away. Let another video replace the watch hour. So, but if you're not posting regularly, you will not be able to fix that. So, post more often on your YouTube account. This will enable you to meet up the watch hour on time. So, please make sure you complete your watch. See, it's not funny. Make sure you complete your watch hours within the period of what? Of 1 year. If not, all those videos, YouTube will be taking those watch hours back. That's number 1. Now, number 2, reasons why your watch hour will be decreasing or going down. You are deleting your videos. You are deleting your videos. Now, YouTube is not a platform that appreciates YouTubers deleting their videos. They don't like it. So meaning as a YouTuber, I understand you posted that video 1 year ago and the video you don't like the color grading, you don't like the way it is, you don't like the everything about the video, you just feel like the video is somehow shabby, and you now think that the best way to go is to delete the video. The moment you delete that video, every watch hours that comes with that video will also be minused. So in order for you to fix this, leave it. And you never can tell. You see, those videos you think that they are not good or they are not performing, they might later do well in the future. Because one thing you must know is that every video you're posting on your YouTube, they are meant for educational purpose. So meaning you don't know when people will be looking for that kind of information that is in that video. So imagine a video you post this year. It might be maybe next year or 2 years or 3 years, 4 years that people will now be looking for the information in the video. But because you have deleted this now, nobody will see it. So, but that's not even the problem. But deleting it is that automatically it will minus the watch hour that video have already gotten. So in order to fix that, don't delete your video. You can even unlist it. You can even unlist it, but don't private it. You can unlist it. Okay, that's our number 2. Now, our number 3 is violation. Now, if let's assume your channel got a violation and the platform itself bring down your video, automatically the watch hour is also gone. So that is to tell you, violation is another reason why your watch hours will be decreasing. As in, like, imagine a video of that have given you 1,000 watch hours and they now flag the video or bring it down. Automatically, what happened? You have as well lost the watch hour. That's the reason why before you post anything here on YouTube, you have to be very sure of of the content, or you should have make your findings to understand, okay, what I'm saying is not misleading. What I'm saying is not causing issues, or is not against the platform. Okay, so when you have a violations and the platforms bring down your video, automatically your watch hours will as well do what? Decrease, which is our number 3. Now, our number 4. See, do not buy watch. Hey, do not buy watch hours. Give me a reason why you want to buy watch hours. No, just give me a reason why you want to buy watch hours. Because see, one thing about YouTube is that YouTube wants you to build your audience. That is the reason why it seems as if YouTube is difficult. Everybody feel like YouTube is difficult. YouTube is actually not difficult. What they are trying to make sure, see, every YouTuber that are successful, when you look at them, you will see that these are people who are very, very well disciplined. So YouTube is a disciplined platforms that also want their their creators to be disciplined in terms of patience and value. But when you rush it, you go and buy watch hours. Some even end up buying subscribers, which that's not even what we are talking about. So when you buy watch hours, and after a short period of time, they now discover that, because not even discover, YouTube will know that you bought a watch hour. YouTube will surely know. So it's not something you can hide. They will know that you have done what? You have done something. So they will minus it. So imagine if you have already paid somebody. Maybe you have, and anybody you're going to pay for watch hour is not small money now. You understand? So imagine you have already paid somebody and the person has now tell you that I have completed your watch hours, only for you to discover that the watch hour is now going down. So it means they are minusing it because the watch hour is not organic. So in order for you to be able to build your watch hour now, in order for you to be able to build real watch hours, how you can fix it is to make sure that you do what? You post more of longer videos. And when I say long videos, don't go and post 3-minute videos. Let your video be above 5 to 8 minutes. 5 minutes, 8 minutes and above. Reason is because when any of this video goes viral, automatically now you will have the opportunity to do what? You have the opportunity to actually maybe acquire or amount a lot of watch hours. But when you are posting more of shorts, shorts gives you subscribers, and those subscribers might not be even what you want. You understand? So our advice, longer videos gives you more watch hours. Okay, so you don't need to buy watch hours. Build your channel. That's why if many of you notice, you will discover that a channel of 20,000 subscribers, 30,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, they will post, you'll be seeing 100 views, 500 views, 1,000 views. You understand? But when you build your channel with longer videos, it will help. Like me, I didn't even know on time. It will help your channel a lot. Okay. Now, our number 5 is that you are using one phone. Imagine you using just one phone to watch your videos multiple times. For example, you use this phone to watch the video, and then you switch to another account and watch the video, then switch to another account and watch the video. That is wrong. See, the views will be counting on the video, but as time goes on, YouTube know what to do and then they will minus it. The only thing you can do, instead of using one phone to be switching, you can actually use your laptop to watch, use another person, you can use your friend's phone to watch, and use your own main phone to watch. And when you're using your own main phone to watch, you have to make sure that you watch the video to the very end. Many of you make that mistakes of watching it halfway. When you watch your videos halfway, you are making the algorithm feel like this video is not important. So the impressions will not go well with the algorithm. Shall you understand? So before I go, let's review what I've just said. I said always make sure that you can complete your watch hour within the period of what? 365 days, which is 1 year. Also, make sure that you are not deleting your videos. Stop deleting your videos. The more you delete your videos, the more you are likely to be losing watch hours. Again, avoid violations, because when you have violations and the platforms bring down your videos, automatically you will have issues. I also said that you shouldn't buy watch hours. Do not buy watch hours. Organically grow it. Build it with what? With post more of longer videos and let that video be over 5 to 8 minutes. Okay. And again, lastly, I said do not watch your videos multiple times with just one phone. All right. So in case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please still don't forget to do what? To leave me your questions and then don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Thank you.